Dennis lagi metik apel. Oh gosh.
That's my buddy right there. Hey, yeah, that's boy apple, yeah. That's boy apple. Yeah, that's boy apple.
Ini metik apel gratis teman-teman, buat makanan rusa nanti hunting.
Look how many there is.
They like apples.
They're nice ones. The deer are gonna love them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. My bucks will need these apples, so this will get my bucks coming. Load up the shots.
It's a lot of apples, honey. They're ripe? Are they ripe?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. They're a lot on the ground, but I'm getting all. I don't have to go on the ground. Oh yeah.
Hey, look at that. They want it, honey. They want more.
Look, I can pick all I want. Easy to get them on the ground.
Why you not shake the apple? Shaking.
For the deer.
Yeah, that way the apple fall down.
Oh, I'm gonna get the ones on the ground first. It's easier to fill the bucket when they're on the ground.
Be careful the bee though, honey.
I know. That's all I
Ini
got left.
perutku sudah besar. Ini 3 hari lagi harusnya lahir. Tapi si baby masih di perut. Jadi aku nggak bisa bantuin Dennis metik apel. Aku bikin video aja buat Dennis.
All I got close.
Apel gratis teman-teman.
Get these bags and fill them up.
Ini biasanya di sana juga ada, tapi itu sudah habis di situ.
Fill them up. As many as I can get.
Shake, honey. Shake the tree. Is there many? I have a bee or no? I think I can help you picking apples.
Yeah.
Maybe. I'm just afraid I have a bee.
Throw them in the bucket. Here, put them down below in the bucket. Put them in the bucket. I'll get another bucket. Fill this one up. So this takes 2 buckets to fill them up.
Apelnya belum begitu
Can you
besar.
hold this bag?
Yeah.
That's one right there.
It's a lot of
I need a
apples
tie.
right there.
I'm gonna take this one in the truck.
Apel kayak gini di sini nggak kepake teman-teman. Ini sebenarnya apelnya bagus, cuma karena ini aja ya warnanya itu loh. Mbak, hey, you want some? Here, I give it to you. Here, you want some? Here. Here, here. There we go. Oh, you like apples? Here, I give for you more. Here, buddy. Here. Here. They like apples. Wow. They eat them. Come here. Come here. Mereka suka apel ternyata teman-teman. Kambingnya suka apel.
other apple. Come here. I'll pet you.
You want more apple, honey?
Here, you want an apple here. Hey, my buddy, you want one too? I left my gloves. What did I do with them?
I don't know.
Just go pick away.
You're shaking already.
Now I can spill the bucket. You know I'm a professional apple picker. Watch me. Here, show them. Watch. This is how you pick apples. Ready? 1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
Oh my gosh, honey. So fast.
I can pick apples faster than anyone in the Mississippi. Been picking apples for years. I fill buckets faster than anybody.
Be careful with the bee though.
All for the deer. I don't want the rock.
Huh?
Hey, you want one?
They like apples.
I like apples. They're
Yeah.
like a deer. They like apples too.
Yeah.
Yeah. He says they eat them apples up front. He goes, no one's been picking them. The deer are eating them all. He says they're gone. They're out there every night eating them. I said, that's why I pick apples for my deer. Because they love them so much. All right, I filled that bucket. I filled bag up. Give me that bag.
That's fast, honey.
Get more apples.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh, fall down.
Get my apples.
Saya tak bisa balik banyak.
Yeah, my buddy. Yeah, my buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, my buddy. That's my buddy right there. He loves me. He loves me. He loves my apples.
This.
I'm only picking the good ones. I don't want rock.
Here. Woo. Look. Uh-oh.
I fill a bucket in no time.
See? All on the ground.
Another bucket filled.
I'm shaking again for you.
Yeah, fill that bag. Here, hold that bag for me. I'm filling them up, honey. We're gonna really get the deer coming. This will make a big difference. There's them tie bands. Here they are. There's too many. Too many in there. Yeah, this is gonna help bring the deer in. Here.
You want me tie for you?
Yeah. This will bring him back. Won't get stung.
You want me shake again?
Almost.
Huh?
Almost ready.
I don't hit your head
Not fast.
with the apple.
Not fast, honey. Alright. Another bag.
Here's some apple.
I'll do it by myself, babe. Hold on, let's just pick them.
Huh?
Just pick them.
You can shake it a lot, honey. That's a lot. Careful your eyes. You don't have glasses. Careful your eyes. You better shake the tree.
Why don't you come out and play? You can't come out? You got my apples too, he said. What? You want an apple too? Alright, here. You want an apple? He said, there, we got one in there. He said, thank you. I gave him an apple. He kept calling me. He said, I want an apple too. I said, okay. I'll get you apple.
Yeah.
Did you hear him calling me? He said, I want an apple.
I can't shake the tree. Careful, have many bees, honey.
Yeah, it's that time of year. Bees
This
change
is
their
big.
diet.
This is big apple. Look,
They like apples.
apel kayak gini di sini nggak kemakan sama manusia. Gak ada yang doyan di sini, teman-teman. Apel seperti ini di sini. Kinda nice apples.
You guys like apples? Okay, we'll give them some more.
Shake again, honey.
Look at them, they're my buddies. They love apples.
So the apple just start season, right? The season apple just starting, or
Yeah, that's apple season now.
yeah?
Yeah.
You have to hold the other one. They like apple. Oh my god.
Yeah, I like apples.
It's like a deer, yeah. They like apple. Here, Maddie, honey, you shake it here. Look. Shake it. It's lots.
This is slower, believe it or not. When I'm on the ground, I go faster.
Yeah, they might shake it. See? It's a lot easier for you.
put some in Glenn's too.
Yeah.
Yeah. I gotta get them coming, right? I gotta get the puppies coming. Happens always do it magic. Get the bucks coming. It's work, but it's free. Get these apples out there.
Careful your eyes.
Oh,
More, honey. Wow. More. That's a lot. This is big too.
All I can get.
You still have 2 buckets.
I know.
Empty.
I'll fill that bag up and then I'll fill the buckets up and I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hammer these spots with apples.
Huh?
I'll get the deer coming. I'll get them coming. They will hammer them at Glenn's. I put them at Glenn's, they go crazy. This will be really good. All right, let me fill this bag. This bag's about full anyway. Good enough. You have a tie band?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's one right here. Tie it up.
Let me tie for you. Over here. See? You get more. It's almost full. How many bag you got?
3.
3 bag and this one?
That's 6 buckets, 9 buckets. That's a lot.
9 bucket. Ya udah taruh di truk ini apelnya. Sudah banyak, dapat banyak. Nanti ini buat makan rusa semua teman-teman.
Fill this one up.
Makan rusa.
One more. There, I filled it. I'm gonna carry them back. Oh, you don't have to, I will.
Okay.
I got that tree over there.
Oh yeah, maybe you can pick over there. Ini semua buat rusa, buat si Din. Wow, that's a lot, honey.
Done. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, ini.
This is where Tyson is. Going to try to make things happen. It's been a little slow lately.
This is the place about, I think, Tyson's.
Let's see if anything came on the camera. I put fresh corn in there. Let's stop here. I got a camera here and 2 here. Oh yeah, something been eating that corn.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a lot lower.
Aku gak turun di mobil aja. Ah? What?
SD cards.
Oh, I see.
Get up.
No. I just sit in here. Yeah. Oh, I'm tired. Itu adalah blindnya kalau kita hunting. Tapi tahun ini sepertinya saya nggak hunting karena si baby sebentar lagi mau lahir. Dan he's changing the camera SD card. And he's giving the corn.